Today we will be doing a hand washing experiment, so if you'd like to follow along by downloading the hand washing activity on our website, you can follow along with us. So what you'll need for this activity are some prepared potato slices, which you can have an adult do. You'll need some hand soap, you'll need a permanent marker, and you'll also need a timer. You can use your phone for this, or if you have a clock, either one will work for that. Washing your hands removes bugs such as viruses and bacteria and is an important means of preventing the spread of germs which can make you sick. In this experiment, we are checking to see if washing your hands reduces the number of germs present on your hands by growing germs on potato slices. Before we get started, you're going to want to make a hypothesis, which is an educated guess. Make a hypothesis as to what each potato slice will look like before and after you wash your hands, and explains the reasons behind your hypothesis. Before washing our hands, we're going to rub our fingers across the surface of one of the potato slices. I'm marking this potato slice as number 1. You can use any code that you would like, or you can simply write unwashed hands. But today, my unwashed hands are going to be on potato slice number 1, and then my washed hands will be on slice number 2. Make sure that you label your potato slices, so when you check back at your results, you know which potato you're looking at. So first we're going to remove the lid quickly. And we're just going to rub our fingers on this potato slice. Only touch the potato slice marked unwashed hands. The other ones will be for after you wash your hands. But rub your fingers all over the surface for a few seconds. And then you'll just want to close the lid again. Now we're going to wash our hands for 20 seconds using soap and water and following the NHS hand washing guidelines. Make sure you time how long it takes to wash your hands because it's important to wash your hands for the proper amount of time. And after we've washed and dried our hands, we'll touch the new potato slice that we marked as washed hands. I'm going to get my soap here. I'm just going to rub my hands. So now I'm taking my freshly washed hands and I am touching the top of our unwashed hand potato slice. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And as you can see, I've labeled it number 2. So now we need to incubate our bacteria and give them time to grow. So I'm going to incubate mine in the back of a cupboard, which is right by a fireplace. So bacteria like warm, dark places to grow. So we're going to check back on these potato slices in 24 hours and then again in 48 hours and see what the bacterial growth is. As you can see on this potato slice, you can see some white growth, and that's bacteria. It also smells pretty gross. You'll be able to smell the bacteria. And this was my potato labeled number 1, which was unwashed hands. And this is my potato labeled washed hands. And there isn't really anything growing on it. There might be a little bit of white fuzz. Really, it looks pretty good compared to this one. As you can see, hand washing is an effective way to remove germs and fight infection.